So actually, we were visiting. We got this plot, and then we were visiting the campus, and we saw this house next door. And this was long back. तो उस वक्त इस तरह के उस वक्त ना बड़े कर्व्ड काइंड ऑफ घर बनते थे, बड़े ट्रेडिशनल से, एक से सब दिखते थे जो बंगलोज होते हैं. But this house had very clean lines, and it was very modern looking. And then that's when हमने उनसे पूछा कि ये किसने बनाया है. Then he gave the name and he gave the reference, and that's how we got in touch with Nitin, and that's how the entire process started. And this was about how many years? This was about 12 years back, 12, 13 years back. So, and it was when this was made, it is actually very modern looking, clean kind of a house. Very, our brief was that we want something which is evergreen. So वो हमें फैडिश नहीं चाहिए कुछ जो कि और हमें ऐसा कुछ चाहिए जो कि अभी से 10-15 साल बाद भी रेलेवेंट रहे और नया दिखे, फ्रेश दिखे. तो फिर so then that's how we started working with him, and then this house came about. और इसके स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह जैसा हमने दिया था ब्रीफ उसके जैसा ही है. इनफैक्ट इट्स क्वाइट गुड. इनफैक्ट for at least first 8-9 years people used to come to see the house because they would want to, and they've seen from outside, we've seen somebody taking a picture from outside to see ये कैसा लग रहा है. और अंदर आके भी कई बार कुछ लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि हमको दिखा दीजिए. तो वो तो खैर ऑब्वियसली नितिन से पूछा होगा तब वो इधर हमारे पास आए. So we were very happy, and we've been very proud of the way it looks, and because it remains fresh in terms of its look. It is open. ये plot बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, but when you enter the house, it doesn't seem that it's a small plot because it's very open. It has got spaces. हमें बहुत ही claustrophobic kind of place नहीं चाहिए था. हमें बहुत सारे rooms नहीं चाहिए थे. We wanted a house which is connected, which has got symmetry, which has and it's got 5 floors. So even in the basement, if you go to the basement, then you don't feel that alienation. It's not separate. और आपको पूरा ऊपर तक नीचे तक बराबर दिखे. तो वो इस घर का जो पार्ट है वो इन्होंने किया, and this is to some extent vastu compliant also. So that is how it went about. And then which is the place he liked most. So there's this staircase in the house which is open, and इस तरह के प्लॉट में वो ओपन staircase difficult है, और उस समय में ये नई चीज थी बिल्कुल. So that is how this looks connected. The entire house looks connected. And obviously we went for all possible things. Like he suggested that we can have security systems, we can have elevator inside. It's a greenhouse also. So we did this in 2012 when we started. I think he went to Terry, and he got some information about how to go about making a greenhouse. So इसमें सारे elements, I think one element छोड़ के बाकी सारे elements green के ही हैं. So yeah, you want to add something?
No, I think good part with Nitin was when we met him. At that time, his father was also alive. So I think as a father-son duo, they brought in a very special way of understanding the requirements, and his father brought in a lot of wisdom of an old architect and engineer. And at that point of time, Nitin brought in a lot of youth ideas and also contemporary designs and all that stuff. So I think it was a great combination, and over a period of time, I think Nitin has tried to follow that whole principles of listening to the customer, understanding the requirement, and he's very, very patient in terms of doing the rework and coming back with the fresh designs and all. I think that has been interesting. And other important element with the whole design had been that we had moved from an apartment, and apartments, normally societies will have all facilities like power backup, lifts, windows, everything which one can imagine, including gym and all. And our brief was that we are moving from an apartment, but we want to live in a house which gives us facilities of an apartment, and that to in a reasonable price, reasonable costing. So that's how we had got on to designing. So while it is a basement plus 4 floor, and we are 3-4 of us staying here, as Anshula said, that gives a feeling of connectedness because of a central spine having a elevator. But using all other material, right from French windows to centralized air conditioning. All those things around 12-13 years back in a independent house of our size was not something which was very popular. But we got all that thing done. I think right from designing to execution to coordination, guiding, I think Nitin had been involved. And as she said that अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं बाहर से फोटो लेते हैं या आ जाते हैं, कहते हैं कि बड़ा अच्छा घर बना हुआ है. It is not a typical house of a 200 meter wherein you have every floor made for different set of people to live. Normally Delhi will have houses, एक पे छोटा भाई, दूसरे पे बड़ा भाई, तीसरे पे पेरेंट्स, सारी डिजाइन एक जैसी. So that thought was not followed, and it was completely made for a family. So experience had been good working with Nitin, and since then we have been in touch. I think that now it is almost 10-12 years. We are planning to build another house. He had also been involved in another house, what we have conceptualized in Hills. So, and we have also recommended his name to many people. So I think the team is very good, and I have been to his office, spent time with the team also. People understand, people try to listen to the customer, listen to the expectations, and they have been using best of the technology, if I have to say, to also help customers visualize the whole design and concept. So I think that overall great experience, and it's a great team which has done some fabulous work, and definitely we have been very, very happy. Thank you.
Yeah. In fact, it's a very the approach of the the one they built right now and the one which we are planning. It's very forward looking. So you don't. The house takes 2 years, 2-3 years to build, 2 years to build, and then you stay in it for at least 15 years, let's say, or some people stay for longer. So the planning has to be for next 15 years. It can't be for now. And that is the approach the team takes. And that is very good because that aligns with us. So when it aligns with us, then it works for us.
Good.
So it's been good job.